Hello, this is Police watch. Police is the brand. It's Italian brand, and this watch has different sub-dials. It shows date and day of the week, and also time in 24 hours format, but it doesn't work properly. The second hand is jumping back and forth, cannot go forward. I'll go inside of this watch and see what's in there. Movement ISA Cal.9238. I think we need to take it out, find out what's going on. Okay, so we'll put it on the holder. I will insert the stem again. Take out battery. So there are, I see 1, 2, 3 screws. I think I will remove hands. 3 central hands I want to remove. Now we'll put it back here. So there are 3 screws. Okay, I can see some signs of dust or so I will clean this area. and I will probably blow some air through this watch. I don't want to remove this plate without reason, because I will need to check first. Maybe it works already, but also because this plate covers all those bearings or holes for all these axles. There are 4 of them. Actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because they are covered by this plate, I will lubricate them now. I am using very thin oil. Okay, now I will put this back plate. And I will put battery back. It looks like it works. We can conclude that this watch was just dirty, and it's why it didn't work. Yeah, okay, I will put other hands back and I will watch this mechanism as it works over the time, and I hope it will. And so then it will be all for this video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.